friends. Let's start our morning circle. Good morning, preschool friends. How are you? Good, good. Good morning, preschool friends. How are you? Good, good. It is time to start the day. We will learn to laugh and play. Good morning, preschool friends. How are you? Good, good. All right, time for our calendar. This month is April, and let's find out today's date or today's number. It's the number that comes after 8. Shall we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Today is April 9th, and let's find out what today's day is. It is the blue day. Do you guys know what the blue day is called? Let's sing our 7-day song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So what was the blue day? It comes after Wednesday. Did you say Thursday? Today is Thursday. And let's find out what today's pattern is because we don't have a shape here yet. Let's say it together. Red circle, orange triangle, purple square. Red circle, orange triangle, purple square. Red circle, orange triangle, purple square. That's right. And how many straight lines do we need to make a purple square? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? 4 straight lines. So let's draw it together. We need 4 straight lines. So I'm going to start at the top. 1, go down, 2, down again, 3, and across. That's a purple square. Thanks for helping me figure out the pattern today. 2 really special things are happening this month. We have 2 of our friends' birthdays. Do you guys know which friend's birthday is this month? It's Tristan and Eve. They both have birthdays. Tristan is turning 4 years old and Eve is turning 3 years old. So we're going to mark on our calendar what days their birthdays are. Tristan's birthday is April 19th. So right here, it's Sunday the 19th. So we have some stickers and we're going to put a smiley face sticker on Tristan's birthday to remind us to sing happy birthday. Put it right here. So the red smiley face is on the 19th for Tristan's birthday. Now Eve's birthday is on the 24th, right here. It'll be Friday the 24th. And we'll put another smiley face sticker for Eve's birthday on the 24th. So when it comes to those days, we'll sing happy birthday to our friends. Today I thought I'd read you guys Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss. I am Sam. Can you say hi to Sam? Hi, Sam. Oh, Sam ran away really fast. Who do you think that is? Sam, I am. That Sam I am, that Sam I am. I do not like that Sam I am. Do you like green eggs and ham? Does it look like he likes green eggs and ham? It looks like he thinks it looks a little strange. I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. Would you like them here or there? I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse? I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with a fox? Not in a box, not with a fox, not in a house, not with a mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I would not like them, Sam I am. Would you, could you, in a car? Eat them, here they are. I would not, could not in a car. You may like them, you will see. You may like them in a tree. I would not, could not in a tree, not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. A train, a train, a train, a train. Could you, would you, on a train? Not on a train, not in a tree, not in a car. Sam, let me be. I would not, could not in a box. I would not, with a fox. I will not eat them with a mouse. I will not eat them in a house. I will not eat them here or there. I will not eat them anywhere. I do not like to eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Say, in the dark, here in the dark, would you, could you, in the dark? I would not, could not in the dark. Would you, could you, in the rain? I would not, could not in the rain, not in the dark, not on a train, not in a car, not in a tree. I do not like them, Sam, you see, not in a house, not in a box, not with a mouse, not with a fox. I will not eat them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. You do not like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam I am. Could you, would you, with a goat? I would not, could not with a goat. Would you, could you, on a boat? I could not, would not on a boat. I will not with a goat. I will not eat them in the rain. I will not eat them on a train. Not in the dark, not in a tree, not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I will not eat them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. You do not like them, so you say, try them, and you may. Try them and you may, I say. Sam, if you will let me be, I will try them. You will see. Do you guys think that he'll like green eggs and ham? I don't know, that face looks like he's not sure. But he's gonna try it, right? Let's see. Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do, I like them, Sam I am. And I would eat them in a boat, and I would eat them with a goat. He likes it. And I will eat them in the rain, and in the dark, and on a train, and in a car, and in a tree. They are so good, you see? So I will eat them in a box, and I will eat them with a fox. And I will eat them in a house, and I will eat them with a mouse, and I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. He liked them after all. He just had to try it first. I do so like green eggs and ham. Thank you, Sam I am. So all he had to do was try the green eggs and ham, and that's all Sam I am wanted to do, was just to taste it, just to take one little tiny bite to see if he really likes it or if he doesn't like it. So that gives me an idea. I kind of want to try green eggs. Do you? I think I have some ingredients in the kitchen where we can whip up some green eggs. Should we try them? We might like it. Let's go make some green eggs. What's the first thing we need to do before we start cooking? That's right, wash our hands. So can you go wash your hands with me? And I'm gonna sing our hand washing song. So I'll wet my hands first. Get 1 pump of soap and scrub them all together. Top and bottom, in between, scrub them all together, now we're clean, squeaky clean. Look at all those bubbles I made. Now I'm going to wash them off. Top and bottom, in between, scrub them all together, now we're clean, squeaky clean. All clean. So these are a few of the ingredients and tools that we'll need to make our green eggs. First I have my 2 cups of washed spinach, 2 raw eggs, a pinch of salt, and I have a blender to mix up all of the ingredients. So now we're going to put in all of our ingredients into our blender. So first let's start with our 2 cups of spinach. So we'll just take a handful and put it in there. Okay, last bit. And then we have 2 eggs. So I'm going to crack that. Use 2 hands to crack open your egg. Get all the egg white in there. And I have 1 more egg, give it a little tap. And crack that inside. There you go. And then take our pinch of salt and put it inside. Alright, and then I'm going to put the blending cutter or chopper onto the cup. Tighten it up and put it on our blender. 1, 2, 3. Alright, it's almost all combined. Let's blend it for 5 more seconds and then we'll be ready to cook. 1, 2, 3. That looks good. So this is our eggs blended with our spinach. And I like to put a little bit of butter to make sure the eggs don't stick, and it just makes it taste yummy. So I have a little butter, and I'll put it in the middle. And when that is all melted up, we can pour in our egg mixture. And then the eggs are going to go into the pan, and it cooks very, very fast. So all you have to do is let the bottom cook a little bit and then stir the eggs. And they're almost done. Almost all of our eggs are cooked. They're starting to come together in the middle. And it's looking pretty lumpy, and that's telling us that our eggs are almost finished. All right, our eggs are all done. And now we're just going to put it on our plate and try them out. All right, friends, so I put a little bit of fancy salt and some pepper onto my green eggs. And I didn't have any green ham, but I did have bacon, so I'm going to eat them with my bacon. Let's see how it tastes. That tastes delicious. So let me ask you, friends, do you like green eggs and ham? Because I sure do. Thanks for watching. Bye.